Hello, welcome guy. Today, I want to show you how to make the text behind the person in video. So, let's watch this video until at the end and follow step by step. So, let us start it. First, click the text and click Add Text. Write the text that you want to put in your video. Select the location and how long the text that you want to make in video. And click the style for customized text that have a lot of font style and effect animations. And then export this video. And then add the new project and add your video that has export on your device. Click the overlay and click Add Overlay. Select your original video that don't have the text. And pull your video add new to full screen. Click on Video and then click on Cutout, click on Remove Background. And wait it full generate. And the end we see the resulted easy and make it in a few seconds. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video.